Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, world. Check this out, man. Me a burn on fire under Justice Minister there, right, Chuck. Mr. Chuck, of all the problem with Jamaica have, and all the things we are going out there, the youth, them are missing. Schoolgirl get pregnant out there. Teachers stop abuse the kids, them, Mr. Chuck. Police stop abuse the kids, them, Mr. Chuck. Youth, them come missing, Mr. Chuck. And you mean say all you can come up with that thing about if you legalize Obeah, brother? Seriously, Mr. Chuck. You want me to say, all you can sit down and even consider if you go waste pen ink. Even in thought process, we sit down and think and discuss this. It take time. At that taxpayers' money I waste, man. Sit down and talk about legalize Obeah. Let me ask you a question. How Obeah is going to help us move Jamaica forward? How is Obeah going to help our cause in Jamaica? You tell me. When all the youth them say them invisible and them invincible and them so bad police can't catch them and have video bad man at police. So them Obeah trang and voodoo trang. Them have witchcraft and where. And police can't grab them. What are you doing, Mr. Chuck? Why are you trying to destroy my country? Eh? Of all the things to sit down and discuss, Mr. Chuck, you go sit down and discuss legalizing Obeah. You know what it look like? You know look good. You know smell good. You know sound good. Yes, me say, you know look good, no smell good, no sound good. You know, people from all over the world, you know look good, no smell good, no sound good. You understand me I say? You know good. Obeah, brother. Obeah about all the things. You can concentrate on. You gonna sit down in a meeting. Waste pen, ink, pen paper. And I sit down about legalize Obeah, brother. Someone who might say, yo, it's an African thing. Yo, we ancestral. Yo, we ancestral, the idiot too. I don't think we ancestral do, we not do it today. That's why we have modern medicine. We not got bush go use certain things when they used to use. You understand me? I don't think we ancestor used to do that we not do. We not push no stick through we nose that's all like we ancestor, brother. We not cut up we face like we ancestor, brother. Ancestor used to sell slave. And that's why enough of it on the Western Hemisphere because we ancestors sell we. So nothing we ancestors are do, we can't do it today. Because enough we ancestors, and nothing they do wrong. So stop following the nonsense. But we ancestor this and Obeah this. Obeah wrong. A witchcraft, a devil worshipping. What I do, Mr. Chuck? All this stuff for their Jamaica to deal with. All this stuff for their Jamaica to deal with, brother. And that's what I talk about. If you show the mind, I will man like I some of all people need to go away. Some of all people in politics need to step down. We don't understand social media. We don't understand this. So we don't deal with young people and implement stuff to help young people. Seriously. Not all people don't even know if to send an email. How we not implement laws to help people of today, these youths. Some of all people need to step away in politics. Politics is like the only job where you know resign from it. A dead from it. Politics is only job, resign for you get all and retire. No man, I dead for dead from me. Some man in there with a dead brain. Senile up there. I make rules and laws. Imagine that. You want to legalize Obeah. Or don't legalize homosexuality, Or don't legalize weed, And nothing you don't legalize, So you legalize Obeah. Eh? You see Obeah man out there protest. Me never see one Obeah man at Jamaica march, But me see gay people march at Jamaica. And whether they support it or not.
Yeah? Viewers and subscribers, the other day, them have a discussion in the parliament about legalizing Obeah. You see me? And the big question we are talking about right now is how is that legalizing of Obeah is going to fix the problems that Jamaica have. You see? Especially the crime and violence. You see me? Now legalizing Obeah, really and truly now. Like, that only going to add more problem. You see me? That's what enough people believe. You see it? And, if you legalize something like that, you see me? Even L.A. Lewis the other day said that him think that people need license for something like that if you say you're going to legalize it. You understand? Now, me hear somebody say something. And me look on the person and never want to really take up what them say too serious. But me have to really and truly reconsider it now. You see me? Like this now. I'm going to look on this now. See? The man stated and the man said him believe that because enough of the man them in a parliament reach the age of retirement is as if they are trying to destroy the country. And then when they retire, them fly out and gone and leave Jamaica in a destruction. You see? All them look at something there. You see me I say to you? Make us say that them legalize Obeah now. Zane, all who never used to work Obeah are going to either try to work Obeah or going to learn to work Obeah. You see me I say? And then at the same time, them are going to abuse it. You see it? And then now, crime are going to happen when not even investigator nor forensic can detect nor solve. You see the problem we are going here, so you can't blame the people if you think some things where we really are going, because this issue don't even make sense. More I look at it, you know. If the ministers from back in the 18th century, you see me, put a law against something like this, you see me I say, and remember no, the ministers in the 18th century is not as educated as the man them in a parliament now, you know. You see me? So the man them in a parliament back then, we're not so educated like these man now, find it necessary to make something like witchcraft, which is known as Obeah, be illegal. You see me? So why them wanna do it? There must be a big reason why them decide say yo, them are gonna make it illegal. You understand? I don't know, but you know, this is the issue right now. How is legalizing Obeah going to fix the crime problem and certain problems that Jamaica have? You see me? Oh, really and truly, you see me? Anyways, my viewers and subscribers, I leave this with you to think, you know what I mean, and tell me what you feel about something like this. You see me I say? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button to stay up to date. You understand? My name is Dancehall Entertainment. You big up on yourself. You see it?